Mimi and Sasa Story House presents Tidy Up Time. The sun went to bed behind the soft pink hills. But oh, Sunny Meadow was such a muddly mess. Toys here, toys there, toys everywhere. Phew, yawned Pip. So many toys to put away. A green yarn ball, a little drum, a tower of blocks, all over the grass. Then Bruno, Coco, Momo, and Lulu waddled over. Tidying alone is slow, said Bruno softly. But together is quick. So Pip lifted his little lantern and sang, tidy up, put it away." And one little toy went away. One little toy, then two and three. Coco rolled her green yarn ball. Round and away it goes, snug in its basket. Momo swung down on his curly tail and popped the blocks in their box one by one. Plip, plop, plip. Lulu the bunny smoothed the patchwork quilt out flat. Hop, hop, pat. All neat and sweet, she whispered. Now everybody sang together. Tidy up, put it away. Faster and softer, the meadow grew tidy. Can you help us tidy too? Pick up one little toy and put it away. Oh, thank you, friend. And look, the meadow was tidy and calm. That was quick, said Pip, and it was fun. Doing it together made it easy. One last time, very softly now. Tidy up, put it away. The toys were sleeping. So were sleepy eyes. Under the red star, all snuggled in, Pip smiled. When we tidy together, it's quick and it's fun. Good night, Tidy Meadow. Good night, Sunny Meadow.